I'm going to show you how to create a ramp that has a specific slope angle in Blender. Starting with a cube, rotate the cube to the angle that you want your slope to be. In my case, I'm going to use a 20-degree angle. Next thing we want to do is lower the cube down so that the leading edge of the ramp is at 0. To do that, I'll switch to edit mode, select that leading vertex, and then look at its vertex transform in global space. I can see that the Z value is about 0.95, so I'll copy that value, switch back into object mode, and then lower the entire object down by that value, using minus and then pasting in the value. All right, so now my ramp's lined up like I want it, and I just need to clean up some of the vertices that I don't need below. So to do that, I'm going to merge in the vertices in the very bottom with the vertices on the leading edge. Switching to edit mode, select the first vertex, hold shift and select the second, and then merge at the first. That takes care of the first side. I'm going to do the same thing with the second side. And then to finish off, I'm going to move these vertices directly under the tailing high edge and putting them lined up with the floor at 0. So to do that, first I'm going to take a look at the Y value of this vertex. Copy that. And then select the two vertices that I want to move. Paste in the Y values, and then use 0 as the Z value. And now we have our ramp.